It's Tim here from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to reset the home screen layout on your Samsung phone. So you can see my home screen right here. If I want to reset the layout on here, let's go to settings and scroll on down and go to apps. And we are looking for One UI Home. So we can scroll on down and we can find it under here, One UI Home. And if we tap that, we can reset the home screen. So let's go do it and we can find it. Here it is. Tap this. Then under here, let's go to storage and go to clear data. Now watch. You go back to home screen, it reloads and it resets it back to the original positions. So very easy to do. Now on your Android phones, it's going to be different depending on whatever one you're using. So if you got Motorola, it's like Moto Launcher or something like that. On Google, it's called Pixel Launcher. So anything with UI or launcher in it, just try searching for that. You can reset the home screen. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.